Welcome back to TechieTape. In this video, we'll explore together how to download and install ChromeOS Flex. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Installing ChromeOS Flex is a great way to breathe new life into an older PC. Requirements: target device: the PC you want to install ChromeOS Flex on. Minimum specs: 64-bit Intel or AMD CPU, 4GB RAM, 16GB internal storage. USB drive: 16GB or larger. Note: everything on the USB drive will be permanently erased. Creation device: any computer with Google Chrome browser installed to create the bootable USB. Installation: install the recovery utility on your working computer. Open the Google Chrome browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Chromebook Recovery Utility. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Create the bootable USB installer. Open the Chromebook Recovery Utility extension in Chrome. Click Get Started. Then select a model from a list. Set the manufacturer to Google ChromeOS Flex and product to ChromeOS Flex. Insert your USB drive, choose it from the drop-down, and click Create Now. If you want to download the .bin image file, you can get it through Google Chromium Dash. Go to Official Chromium Dash. Look for the board code name Revan. This is the code name for ChromeOS Flex. Under the Recovery Images column, click the version download link. It will download a .bin.zip file. Extract the .zip to get your raw .bin image, which you can use with the Chromebook Recovery Utility or Rufus to create a bootable USB drive or for other purposes. Note: you can also use the Chromebook Recovery Utility to erase your recovery media, USB drive. Boot target device from USB. Plug the USB drive into your target PC while it's turned off. Turn on the machine and immediately spam the boot menu key for your brand, commonly F12, F11, F9, F8, or Escape, depending on brand. Select your USB drive from the boot list. Test or install ChromeOS Flex. When the welcome screen appears, click Get Started. Option A: try it first. Choose Try It First to boot directly into ChromeOS Flex off the USB without modifying your current hard drive. Option B: full install. Choose Install ChromeOS Flex to wipe the internal drive and install ChromeOS Flex permanently. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. Warning: installing ChromeOS Flex will permanently erase all existing files, operating systems, and settings on the target computer. Back up any critical data to cloud storage or an external drive before proceeding. ChromeOS Flex installs to the first internal storage controller detected by the kernel. Whichever drive it finds first will be completely wiped and repartitioned. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.